the last one. So now go to render viewport and apply these function ambient occlusion, bloom, sub. Oh, screen space reflection. Let's increase the size of ambient occlusion. So it's looking nice. I think it's better. Now one more thing is add a new environment texture. Open and download from description below. I thought this one is fine. Okay, looking nice. Yeah. Now shift A, add a plane and press Alt G and scale about 10 and grab it down only for reference. So now select below or anything you want. Now go to select image texture, open image texture, and these carpet texture already available on description, so download free. Okay, I think this one brushed.tga. Okay, it's looking nice. Now go to here and shade editor. Now select and press and select first image and press Ctrl T to make this thing. If Ctrl T does not work, go edit preferences and where's the add-ons. Here you need to do is enable all these add-ins, and I think shift A, add bump node and color to height and normal to normal and go to 3D viewport. Okay, now first thing is decrease the size of bump node. Okay, it's fine. Now go to vector and scale on x-axis about 5 and also y-axis about 5. I think one more, 10, 10. Okay, looking nice. Okay, now first thing is apply subdivision surface. Okay, now apply subdivision surface, leave the modifier. Okay, now select all toggles and press U and smart UV project. Okay, now select this, select all the toggles and press U smart UV project. Now it's looking nice. Okay, let's increase the size of bump node. Not so much, I think it's fine. Now select this, maybe this one, and give a new material 002, anything you want, and assign with material 002. Now base color, change image texture, open another image texture, this one, buff 4, and as always we know, apply, already applied subdivision surface. Now edit mode, select all toggles and press U smart UV project. Okay, it's projecting now, as you can see, looking nice. Now go to shader editor, connect this one with Ctrl T, shift A, add pump node and color to height, normal to normal. Now select vector and scale 5, 5. I think go to bump node and decrease the size. Maybe that's enough. It's a very simple tutorial. Okay, Now one more thing is, let's make it plus. Okay, now go to edit mode and first apply subdivision surface. For this one, select all toggles and press U Smart UV project. Now it's looking nice. Okay, it's done here. Now select these stands. Okay, select and increase the metallic look and increase the specular level and decrease the roughness value. Okay, now I thought it would be better. Select these stamps and grab them up. Okay, looking nice. So I think it's done. And one more thing is, if you want to hide this environment, select fill and make it transparent. So I think our sofa video tutorial is completed. And one more thing is, select and select. Let's make press hide H on keyboard, select plane and select this sofa. And where is the plane? Shift T on x-axis, maybe y-axis. Okay, now rotate on z-axis 180 degrees. Okay, so video tutorial is finished. Hope you guys learned something new, and stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel, and goodbye guys.